Sabi nila, madali na lang daw kasi matagal na ako nag-trade. Madali na lang daw kasi marami na akong alam at marami na akong experience. I do agree on some parts, pero tandaan nyo guys, nagsimula din ako kagaya nyo as a beginner. What is good mga champion, and welcome back to another video. So again, this video guys is just for me to give you motivation na hindi pa huli ang lahat. So sa mga nagsasabi sa akin na madali na lang para sa akin kumita sa trading kasi matagal na ako nagtitrade. On the first point, I do agree and I also disagree. Some students na coming from zero knowledge pero in just a matter of 3 months, naging profitable na sila. Okay? It is sounding too good to be true, pero that is reality. Hindi nakadepende ang success dahil lang tumagal ka. And there are a lot of people, majority halos, is tumatagal sa trading na hindi naman nagiging profitable. Based dun sa argument na magaling na ako kasi matagal na ako nag-trade, can be both agreeable and disagreeable. So, wag niyong gawing limitation dahil lang kailangan mong tumagal ng 5 to 10 years for you to become successful sa trading. Second is, marami na akong alam. Tandaan nyo guys, lahat tayo nagsimula as a beginner. That means, I also was once in your shoes. Kung nasan kayo ngayon, is yun din ako dati. I make money from as a beginner. I also lose money as a beginner. Hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon ay kumikita ako all throughout. There may be losses and that is a fact. However, through time, as I become mature as a trader, as I have more experience, mas natututo na ako dun sa mga pagkakamali ko. And that helped me become better as I progress habang tumatagal. The main goal sa trading is hindi lang kumita. The main challenge is for you not to lose or how you can prevent losses. So, aminado naman tayo na there will be no 100% winning, di ba? All throughout in your trading career, okay? Winning streak is always possible and probable. For example, I may have 20 winning trades and dun sa ika-21st, I may be losing the trade. So, that means I am not that perfect. Okay? So, sa mga nagsasabi na madali na lang yung mga pinagagawa ko on my own kasi nga I'm skilled na. Okay? Take note, skills are built through time. Okay? But also, skills are also earned. So, skillful traders are exceptional. No? So, hindi lahat ng tao ay pare-pareho. So, you have to take into account, syempre, you have to exert more efforts, more time, lalo na kung committed ka talaga. So, that means you have to dedicate yourself na paglaanan talaga ng oras. So, I have come across a lot of students. So, I'm sharing all of these things kasi marami akong naririnig na mga sinishare sa akin ng mga estudyante na from their own experiences as well. Okay, bago sila nagsimula and nung nag-self-study sila, how things work for them and how things didn't work for them. Okay? So, hindi ako exception sa mga bagay na nararamdaman nyo ngayon. Okay? So, the main idea here is the reason I may be skillful now in trading and I also do make money sa trading is because I took that risk. I was once also, syempre, being an employee is a must. Lalo na kung kakagraduate mo lang, di ba? So, syempre, you have to make money on your own. Except, for example, meron talaga kayong like a rich family background, which I didn't have. Okay? Wala rin kaming big businesses, no, na mamanahin ko. Okay? So, I really have to make money on my own. And, yung pinaka initial stepping stone naman on an average, di ba, is pagiging empleyado. Okay? But I didn't stop there at being an employee. Okay? Sa mga nagwo-work ngayon dyan, being an employee, kayo, huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa, guys. That is not the end. Some people naman, gusto talaga nila yung work nila, gusto nila yung ginagawa, and that help them be more confident, no, na makiharap sa mga tao. So, for some people naman na hindi ganun pinalad, pero they really have to stick with their work kasi they have to pay the bills, and work for them will pay the bills eventually, lalo na kung may sinusuportahang mga pamilya. Ang point ko dito is there's always a way for you to get out dyan sa tinatawag na rat race. Okay, alam ko guys, nararamdaman ko iba kong estudyante na talagang pagod na sila sa pagiging empleyado, and they really have to step up their game if they really want to have that freedom. Okay, freedom is actually not just being financially freedom, but also yung time. Kasi bakit? For most of you guys, I think majority, okay, nag-work kayo not because you just love your work, not because just for money. It's because gusto nyo suportahan yung magiging future family nyo or your existing family, your children, okay, your spouse, 'di ba? Your parents or grandparents, kung sino man, lahat ng mga sinusuportahan nyo na nakaasa sa inyo. Apparently, minsan nakakalimutan nyo yung yung sarili nyo, 'di ba? So in that case, kaya yung iba tumatagal sa work na wala nang naiipon kasi lahat napunta doon sa kanilang family members. The thing here is, some people na kailangan talaga nila ng extra income, side hustle. And isang way doon is yung pag-aaral ng trade. Obviously, trading is not a byproduct of a certain service. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka gagaling dahil lang bumili ka ng course o dahil nanood ka ng YouTube channel. Okay? Gagaling ka if you are consistently practicing and even applying yung natutunan mo. Okay? So, kaya marami na akong nakahalubilong mga tao, and obviously from different walks of life, sharing their problems and even some failures, and sometimes ang naisip na lang way talaga is mag-aral ng trade. Okay, I cannot tell them that this is the best solution sa lahat, applicable sa lahat. No. Okay, for some people hindi talaga mag-work kasi bakit? Yung oras, 'di ba? Lalo na kung nagsasabay sa trabaho, pag-aaral, syempre physically draining. Okay? What I did from myself is talagang na-compromise talaga yung pahinga. Okay? And that is my sacrifice for myself. So, eventually as I become better in managing my time, yun, naisisingit ko yung mga extrang tulog, okay? Pero mas malaki yung oras ko talagang mag-aral sa pag-trade kasi this is what I want. Ito yung gusto kong mangyari kasi this will give me what? A little bit of what? Sacrifice, pero yung benefit niya in the long run is worth it, okay? Lalo na dun sa value of yung time, okay? For myself, for my family, etc. Finances is, of course, secondary. Yun naman talaga usually yung end result ng lahat. Pero for me, hindi lang dahil sa pera. Okay? Tandaan nyo guys, hindi tayo nabuhay para lang sa bills. We are not born to pay the bills alone. Diba? So, ibig sabihin yan, swerte mo kung may maganda kang trabaho, malaking sahod. But not all people are like you guys. Okay? Some, unfortunately, hindi kayang paaralin yung mga anak nila kasi kulang sa finances. And doon ang kakataon na mas nasa-challenge yung ibang individual mag-branch out, okay, in different opportunities. Kaya yung iba nag-work sa mga fast food chain, di ba? Nagiging janitor. Again, I do respect all of them kasi that is their starting point. And for some, ginagawa nilang driving motivation para lalong magpursige sa buhay. Kaya I have students na dati siyang hindi siya nakatapos, high school student lang siya, high school graduate, and nag-work siya as janitors, and then nanny, okay, sabihin cleaning services, and then nagbabantay pa ng mga bata, and then during her free time, nag-aaral siya on her own resources, okay, limited resources. And then, from that, okay, she built what? Not only skill, yung confidence, okay? So, definitely, during her starting point, diba, hindi naman agad paldo, diba? Hindi naman agad boom yung kanyang trading career. Syempre, may mga losses, pero nag-invest siya ng oras doon. She lost some money, pero ang point doon, ang kapalit kasi yung knowledge. And then, she returned stronger. Okay? So, nagkaroon siya ng ipon, nag-invest siya doon, pinasok niya sa trading account, and eventually, she started making money, compounding effect. Okay? So, lumobo na lumobo yung account niya to a point na nasustain na niya yung yung current lifestyle niya, yung bills niya, pasok na doon sa kinikita niya sa trading. What do I mean by this? Okay? We all have different starting points. So, hindi natin pwedeng ikumpara na dahil ikaw ay may resources na ganito, magiging successful ka agad sa trading. No. Pwedeng, no matter how much money you have, you can never be good at trading if you have the bad habits or if you don't have the proper learning. Okay? In my case, siguro mas nakatulong din dahil technically, I was on a engineering background. So, although finance side kasi halos yung di ba, yung sa trading. Okay? Although may technical, may fundamental point doon, wala akong background sa mga business, finance, okay? Siyempre, inaral ko na yon on my own, self-taught, di ba? Pero eventually, hindi siya enough. So, kailangan ko ng more experience through application ng mga natutunan ko by the book. Okay? What do I mean by the book? Yung mga limited resources na nakuha ko lang, like e-books, okay, videos, kung naman, way back 10-12 years ago. Okay? So, kaya maswerte yung mga tao ngayon nagsisimula kasi meron na ngayon mga mentorship programs, meron na ngayon mga modules, okay, masterclass lessons, okay, and masyado ng ngayon easily accessible yung mga information. Okay, mabilis na lang through the internet, okay. Ano pa? Yung mga tutorials ngayon masyado ng in detail, 'di ba? So, may napakaswerte. Kaya guys, huwag niyo sayangin yung opportunity na matuto. Take that leap, okay? Take that risk, but calculated risk. Hindi naman ko sinabi na mag-risk kayo at lahat ng ipon nyo doon nyo na ibuhos, okay? That is not a smart move, okay? Always start small, but learn big. Okay? Kaya nga, I always advise some people na bago nyo pasukin tong trading, or even bago kayo mag-invest sa akin, through what? Through learnings, diba? Siyempre, mag-i-invest kayo ng oras nyo sa akin, diba? Ako din, paglalaanan ko rin kayo ng oras through mentorships, bootcamp, diba? So, ibig sabihin, you have to do your part. And both ways, I have to do my part as well. Ibig sabihin, I have to teach you properly. You have to exert the effort to properly practice yung mga tinuturo ko. And be diligent, lalo na kung committed ka talagang maging successful dito sa pag-trade. Okay? So, I'm not saying I am a perfect coach or mentor. You can always seek for other people na mas makakatulong pa sa'yo. But what I'm offering is kung paano ko siya naiintindihan when I was starting up until kung nasan ako ngayon, yun din yung tinuturo ko. And that made it more effective kasi I can relate dun sa, or relate, I can relate dun sa mga experiences na na-experience nyo rin ngayon as a beginner, kung kayo man ay amateur or even intermediate. So, walang excuse guys, okay? Hindi siya patagalan. I can assure you na kaya nyong matutong mag-trade, okay, in a span of 3 months or less. Okay, kasi I have plenty of students na nagsimula sa zero knowledge and they have managed to do it for themselves. Okay, before I end this video, nga pala, if you want to be part of our growing TFP VIP Champions community, okay, you may want to check out my 3 options of programs that will cater your needs or depending on your lifestyle. So for the option 1, I'm offering the 90-day TFP VIP Champion one-on-one mentorship program. So as I've said, this is a 90-day program, 2 times per week session. So this will be a total of 24 sessions and an average of 1 to 2 hours per session. So schedule-wise, it's dependent on your availability and convenience. So you may discuss it with me through a video call to confirm. Okay, the option 2 is for those who want to learn at their own pace. without having the struggle of dealing with the schedule, okay, or timing. So this is a TFP masterclass lessons. I have prepared 28 masterclass lessons specifically catered for zero knowledge perspective up until to advanced. Inclusive lahat yan ng aking main system, the TFP Champion System. And lastly, for the option 3, this is a fast track TFP bootcamp. So this is a 5 weeks program. So fast track means we are having the sessions 4 times per week. Okay, and usually this is a fixed evening schedule, Philippines time. So there is no excuse not learning the TFP Champion System, and of course starting your trading journey. And I'll do my best to guide as well para mas maging better kayo as a price action trader. So again, I would like to end this by thanking my TFP Champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. So God bless. See you all on the next videos. Bye-bye.
Alright guys, so I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So yeah, this is just a minor announcement, and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow, lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang, but nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profits from the market, but as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang, and thank you very much. Alright, bye-bye.